I'm going to show you how to make a peppermintini. This festive cocktail is a great one for the Baileys lovers out there, and it could also be used as an alternative to a dessert. There's a little bit more forward prep involved with making this cocktail, but for your ingredients you'll need some melted chocolate chips, double cream, as well as your Baileys. You'll also need some vodka, and finally crushed up candy cane. Certainly makes for a really festive looking glass. We'll start by preparing our glass. Now, before we get started prepping the glass, you first need to combine 1 candy cane and 25 ml of vodka, and just pop that to one side to create your peppermint vodka. Taking your glass, you use your melted chocolate, pop it on a plate, and gently, it can be a bit messy, just twist your glass into the chocolate, getting a nice coating. Don't worry if you smudge, because you can always tidy it up with a paper towel. Want to make sure there's plenty of chocolate on there to hold the candy cane pieces. So you've got a good layer of chocolate there. You crushed up candy cane, little tip, crush up your candy cane when it's still in its plastic, and then you'll just be able to empty it straight onto the plate. Same technique to pick up the candy cane. Gonna dab the melted chocolate into the candy cane. Creates a really nice minty chocolate rim of the glass, and it also looks really festive. Make sure you get plenty on, so you might want to go around a few times. And you can sprinkle extra candy cane into any of the gaps. So I'll just pop a few on here. Great, so that's the candy cane rim. To get a little bit of chocolate into the bottom of the glass, just scoop a little bit out with a spoon and pop it into your glass. And don't worry about it being a little bit messy, but just push it up the sides of the bottom of your glass. Once you're happy with the chocolate, pop your glasses into the fridge for about 10 minutes to set. So to make the drink, you will need a cocktail shaker and a spirit measurer. So we're going to start with 50 ml of Baileys. Just add that to your glass. Next, 50 ml of double cream. It can be a little bit messy, so just be careful pouring. And add that to your glass. And finally, you're going to grab your peppermint candy cane vodka that you made earlier and just add that to your glass. Now all of your ingredients are in your glass, you're going to add plenty of cubed ice. And take the metal half of your shaker, just pop it on top. Flip and give a good shake. So once the shaker's nice and cold, pop it down and give it a good tap to release the glass. So take your strainer and pop that over the top of the metal shaker. Grab your glass from earlier and we'll just pour it into your glass. And there we have a delicious peppermintini.